Okay, mag-solve ulit tayo. A three-phase line delivers 3,000 or tama ba? 3,600 kilowatts at a PF of 0.8 lagging to a load. If the sending end voltage, end yan guys, sending end, if the sending end voltage is 33 kilovolts, determine transmission efficiency. The resistance and reactance of each conductor are 5.31 ohms and 5.54 ohms respectively. First step na ginagawa ko pag ganyan is dinodrawing ko lagi agad yung diagram ng transmission line para alam ko kung sending end ba or receiving end yung mga given. Ganito lang, simple lang naman yung transmission line. Phase delivers, so nandito yun, kilowatts at 0.8 lagging. If the sending end voltage is 33 kilovolts, determine transmission efficiency. The resistance and reactance of each conductor are 5.31 ohms, bali plus J 5.54. Ayan, no, ganyan siya in rectangular form. Wala pala tayong choices. Hindi ko na sulat natin. For letter A, that is 97.15%. For letter B, that is 96.14%. And for letter C, 95.12%. At kay letter D naman ay 98.18%. Ayan. Okay. So, paano ba natin hanapin yung efficiency? Efficiency is equals to P out over P in. Since naka-percent sila, times 100 lang. Paano natin hahanapin yung P in and P out? Given na yung P out, which is 3,600 kilowatts. Paano natin hahanapin ngayon si P in? P in is just simply P out plus losses. Saan ba nanggagaling si losses? Doon sa resistive na nung impedance natin. Yung purely resistive na part ng impedance natin. So, kunin muna natin si I phase. Kaso, hindi natin magamit yung formula na S rated over square root of 3 V line na formula para kay I phase. So, kunin muna natin yung S rated. Kasi same lang yung apparent power sa sending end and sa receiving end. Since given naman yung power factor, edi 3,600 divided by 0.8, that is 4,500 kVA. So ito rin 4,500 kVA. Okay, pwede na natin isolve si S rated. Gamit natin yung V line nung sending end. Times 10 raised to 3 all over square root of 3 times 33,000. Naglolo ko na naman ang pen. Ayan. 33,000 volts. This is VA and this is volts. I-calculate natin. (4,500) times 10 raised to 3 over square root of 3 times 33,000. That is 78.73. Lagyan na rin natin ang angle kahit 87 degrees I face. Okay. P-out, ang P-loss natin, P-losses is equal sa 3 times 78.73 amps squared times R, which is 5.31. Okay. Input lang natin sa calc. 78.73 squared times 5.31 equals siya sa bakit ganun yung calcu? Naka-ano na siya, naka-end. That is 98.74 kilowatts or 74 kilowatts. Okay, so pwede na natin isolve yung efficiency, which is just 3,600 kilowatts over 3,600 plus 98.74 kilowatt. Times 100%. .74 times 100. That gives us 97.33% efficiency. And check natin kung anong choice yun. That is letter A. Nagkaroon lang ng onting discrepancy sa pag-round off natin. Okay.